Hi everyone, welcome to IFS Markets. I am Laura. Today is the 1st of June. It is so fast that it's June already. Can you believe that? Okay, now let's look at what is buzzing. Going into market buzz under universe, we're selecting currencies, and the currency we'll be talking about today will be an exotic, and that will be USD to Turkey lira. So going into the sentiment analysis, we can see that people are feeling very negative towards it, and the subjectivity is 0%, which means people are being very objective. Going into the trend analysis, we can see that the pair may rise by 6.52 according to the professionals at Trading Central. Going into the chart, we can see they're saying in short term, as long as 8.1207 is support, we'll look for 8.9505. Now, let's look at the chart. First of all, this is a daily chart. We can see the current price is above the 20 days and 50 days moving average, and also on top of the Bollinger Band. There's a gap in between here. I feel like I talked about this before. Most probably there could be a major news release while this is happening. And then from there onwards, it's a uptrend. We can see higher highs and higher lows as well. Going down to the comment section, the RSI is above its neutrally area at 50, and the MACD is positive, and below its signal line, the pair could retrace. And we can see below is a series of supports and resistance level. Hope you like today's video. If you do, don't forget to press the like button, and don't forget to follow our social media, YouTube and Facebook. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.